Hello everybody, today we make a pasta with a broccolini. And we got all the ingredients right over here in front of me. Pasta is called gemelli. We got garlic, hot pepper, oil baby, and we got the broccolini. And this is the work. I want to clean the broccolini. I put ice inside like this. When I put the broccolini, it come out really nice. Okay, now the water boil. And we gotta put salt. I use 1 and 2 teaspoons salt. Now it's the time of the pasta. Make sure when you cook a pasta to put a lot of water. And put the pasta. And now we give a little turn for the pasta. Look how beautiful. Oh, this pasta gemelli. When it's cooked, I want it 2 dishes like this. I make gemelli. 2 dishes, it's gemelli. Okay, now we gotta clean up the broccolini. And the broccolini we clean up. You take this leaves out and you cut little stem and you put in water. Okay, you cut like this and the water. It's look a nice tender. When I cut already, I feel like it's really tender. It's nice clean, I put in the water, and now what you do, you cut this stem, and this is not throw away the stem, this one it's really good, it cook at the same time. And we take it out, you see this one, we cut like over here, like this, when you eat the pasta, you know got a long stem. This, you see this one, we cut in half, like that, and we cut this little, like this, look how beautiful it look now. Okay, and we do all the same thing. Look, you see this one? It's nice big, and we cut like this. And you got the flour, and look at that. Now all the broccoli is done. Now we gotta do the garlic. Cause this it's really good. The garlic we slide like this piece, like that. Really, really good. Look at that. This one, it's not too big and a half, and this one. And we put the pepper too, the oil baby, and we put oil on this parts over here. And now we bring this on the stove. Okay, we take the water out for the broccolini. All right. Okay, we got right over here now. When the pasta is almost ready, we gotta put the broccolini. The broccolini gotta cook like a couple of minutes, that's it. Okay, now the pasta is almost ready. Now we put the broccolini. And the broccolini, you gotta cook like a couple of more minutes. All right. And now we give a little push of that the broccolini in the water. All right. At the same time, now we got the oil with the garlic and the hot pepper, and we put the gas on. Okay, gotta be ready when the pasta and the broccolini be ready. Okay, pasta and broccoli is done, and now we drain. But I'll leave a little water on the pasta, and I'll leave it run the cold water on the sink, and we drain. Okay, and we put this back over here, and we put the pasta and the broccolini, and now we wait for the garlic. Make sure to not burn the garlic. Look, now it's really, really good. Turn the gas off, and now you gotta go. Good. And we give a nice turn everything. All right, now let's put in this big nice dish. look at this, beautiful. Okay. Now it's a time of the test. And the broccolini, I got it right over here. Good. Oh, look at the garlic. Oh, I like the garlic. So delicious, so good. The broccolini, it's a nice cook. It's really good. It hot pepper, it gives a good taste. The garlic and the good oil. Thank you very much. The look of this video, it's really, really good. The pasta, you can use any kind of the pasta you want, okay? I use this pasta, it's good. You can use what you want. Thank you very much. The look of this video, and we see next time.